Is it possible to make money while cryptocurrencies are still going down? Today, I'll show you how. Hey, this is Chris from Crypto Team. And while cryptocurrencies are in a downturn, we want to make sure that our viewers are still able to make money. So, one way to make money is to make money off the things that you already buy. And one way to do that is to use receipt apps. The first receipt app that I will review is Receipt Hog. You can go to our other videos to see my review of Receipt Pal and Fetch. Yeah, so our job is to make sure that while right now cryptos are falling, you can still make money. And there's a lot of people on YouTube and they'll say, okay, you make money this way, you make money that way. And they'll just tell you, but they don't actually do the work and see if their ideals actually work. They just give you what they've heard on other YouTube videos and they don't really test out what they're promoting. So here on our channel, we actually test out what we're promoting. So another way to make a little bit of money on your purchases is by using receipt apps. And these receipt apps will allow you to, like I said, make money on purchases that you want to make anyway. Receipt Hog is in your Google Play Store just like Receipt Pal and Fetch. So when you install Receipt Hog, you'll see the hog at the top of your screen. So we click on Receipt Hog. And like I said, our team, we actually test out what we're doing. So I've actually been using Receipt Hog, Receipt Pal, and Fetch for since July of 2013. So this has taken me a couple of years to develop so I can give you my honest review. So here goes Receipt Hog. You click on Receipt Hog, you enter the app, you'll see at the top, you'll see the coins that you can redeem for gift cards. So far since July of 2021, I've only redeemed 1,500 coins with Receipt Hog. And then down here, the lower part of the screen, you'll see the home, receipts, link, surveys, and rewards. And basically, what this allows you to do, if you click on receipts, it show you the receipts that you scanned in. For example, I scanned in a bunch of old receipts. You can see the receipts that you scanned in and how many tickets or coins that you gained. One thing about Receipt Hog that's different than the other two is that Receipt Hog, they give you coins and you can actually use those coins to, for example, get spins, and the spins will allow you to get more coins. So if you scroll down to spin the slot, I have, it looks like 27 coins at the top, or 27 spins, I'm sorry, that can give me more coins. So I can go down here, pull the lever, and it's basically like a little Russian roulette slot machine. Slot machine, and they'll tell you, okay, I didn't get all three, so I didn't get the 3 cupcakes, so I didn't get the 10 coins, or the 5 coins if I got all apples, or the orange slices, 2 coins. So, like I said, I have 27. I had 27 spins, now I have 26. And you get spins when you enter in receipts. So here, as you see, I won. So that just gave me 5 more coins. Cool. So, unlike the other receipt apps, this receipt app allows you to use your for every receipt that you update for a certain number of receipts, you actually get spins, so you can get more coins without actually uploading receipts. And then also with this app, you can take surveys and you can get coins that way. Unfortunately, this is more of a gimmick because every time I come here, it says exactly what's on the screen. No surveys are currently available. And it's like, okay, so why do you even have that link there? So like I said, to me, that's a gimmick. And then you can also here with receipt with receipt hog, you can link your other account. So if you have an account with Albertsons.com or whatever, or Amazon, you link your account to receipt hog and they'll go through and grab the receipts for you. And you won't have to worry about, okay, did I upload my receipts? Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you see something called rewards. And with rewards, we go to, I have 1,566 coins here. So I can, for example, click on Amazon and I see in order to receive my $5 Amazon gift card, I need 1,000 coins. Okay. So that just told you from July of 2021, I've only received 1,500 coins. So that just tells you how much time it takes to get $15 or $25 or whatever. But yeah, so $5 for Amazon for every 1,000 coins. So that right there tells you, and as you see, I have not redeemed anything, but that right there tells you how much time it's actually going to take to get a gift card with Receipt Hog. And like I said, certain apps are better than others. So how does Receipt Hog work? Let's just suppose you went to the this store and you want to upload a receipt. So I'll go ahead and get a receipt real quick and I'll show you exactly how you gain points and how you upload receipts in Receipt Hog. So let me go do that. Okay, and in order to take a receipt or to upload a receipt, like I said before, you can always link your accounts up here in the link account, so you don't have to worry about doing this. But if you go to the store, let's just say we went to Dollar Tree, you upload your receipt by hitting that picture app, and what it does, it brings up your camera. And then all you need to do is take a picture of it and then hit submit. So I just submitted the receipt. And then what Receipt Hog likes to do, they like to ask you survey questions as well. We're just going to make something up here, hit next. This is too much. Just make something up. This doesn't make any sense. You shouldn't have to be filling out all this information. So anyways, they don't do that every time. But like I said, I took a picture of the receipt and I uploaded it. And then what they're doing here, they're going to process the receipt. One thing with the Receipt app and all the other apps, they have a time limit of when you can upload the receipts. I believe Receipt apps is 2 weeks. I know. So basically just say 14 days. So on your receipt, there's a date. So just say after 14 days, you need to go ahead and upload that receipt, or you'll get what I have here, these old receipts, and the old receipts won't give you any spins or coins. So as you see, I uploaded a whole bunch of old receipts. But the last when I uploaded the AutoZone one, it gave me 1 ticket and 1 spin. So once this gets done processing, then they'll go ahead and they will go ahead, as you see, transaction date was 12/30 for $2.68. They'll go ahead and they will give me, there we go, my coins and spins. So they just gave me 5 coins for that, 1 ticket and 1 spin. And that's how Receipt Hog works. So this is how Receipt Hog works. Because I uploaded something in January for the first week, they gave me this check mark here, and then I get check marks here for the second, third, and fourth week of January, and I will get bonuses. So it's good to keep track of this. Like I said, one thing I suggest after you go to the store, please upload your receipts within 2 weeks or within 14 days, because if you do not, you will get that old receipts and it won't count. So it's better to go ahead and upload that information, upload your receipts as soon as possible. Would I recommend Receipt Hog? The answer is no. The reason I say this is because since July of 2021, I've only received 1571 coins, and that is sad, considering all the receipts that I've uploaded. So no, I would not recommend Receipt Hog. Like I said, I've done other videos, and you can go and check the other videos to see what receipt app I do recommend. I'll leave a link at the bottom of the screen or in this video so you can see what I do recommend. But Receipt Hog, no, I do not recommend. Thanks again. This is Chris from Crypto Team. Thanks again for watching.